Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a short shopping haul for you guys because I didn't buy that many things, but I still wanted to show it to you guys. So before we head on into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first thing I bought is this Maepal I'm not sure if it's like a portable thing, but it's basically this cup and then you can put food in it. So it looks like this, and then it has two parts to it. So the bottom part basically just screws off like this, and this is like what the inside looks like. Well, this is like what it looks like, and that's like the inside, so it's just a normal thing. And then the other compartment is basically this smaller box jar kind of thing, and you can basically just add fruits in here, and then in the other part you can add yogurt, or you could add, I don't know what you want to use it for, but you can basically do that. So you can basically, I'm not sure if you can put like soup in here or something, but you can maybe. But it's just super cute, and they didn't have that many colors at the store where I bought it from because there were like only 5 left, and this was the only interesting color left because the other colors were not that nice. It was this weird blue grayish color, which to me wasn't the best, and then it had this dark blue which wasn't the nicest dark blue either, so I went for pink, and normally I don't go for pink, but this was a nice color pink, so I thought, why not? The next thing I bought, which is more my color, is this electric salt or pepper mill, and I haven't actually opened it, so I'm actually going to open it now. And yes, I am actually already buying things before I move out because I just find it interesting and fun to buy things already. Okay, I'm gonna need scissors because I don't want to break my nails. And as you can see, this is really my color because matching, it just matches so much. So I'm just gonna be opening that. Oops, I think I just broke it. Anyway, okay, so this actually comes with full batteries already, but you can basically use any kind of batteries you would want. Ooh. And then this is what it looks like. So it feels really cool actually. It feels like the how do you call it? It's not like metal or anything, but it's the other like thing. I have no clue how to call it, but yeah, this is just what it looks like basically. And yeah, you can use it for pepper, you can use it for salt, you can basically just use it for anything you would like. So I'm just gonna pop that back because I don't need it just yet. And yeah, then the next thing that I bought, which is also for when I move out, when I'm like by myself, is this really cute bowl. And I just thought it would look really cute, and again, it's kind of in the same color as the electric pepper and salt mill, but it just looked really cute, and I was just like, why not? And I believe this was around 2 or 3 euros just for like this, so that was really cheap. And I think the pepper mill was around 8 euros, and this was around 10 euros. And then what I bought was these paper straws because I don't want to use plastic and I can't find the metal straws just yet. And I just thought, okay, at least I have like the paper straws. So they're like in the silver white and they're just like really cute, and you can use them for like New Year's Eve or Christmas as well. So they're just really cute, and yeah. Oh, ow, oh, ow, oh, ow. And then I bought this mattifying tonic. I don't know. It's basically just from normal to mixed skin, and it clarifies and mattifies your skin. So yeah. So this is just what it looks like, and that's pretty much it, I guess. And I'm not in focus, so this is just great. I don't know what is happening, but I think there's like a color scheme going on here, so it's just going great. And to get back into the color scheme, I have this cream as well for the same thing basically. I'm bad at this, but it's the same thing, but it just has something slightly different to it, and it's from the same brand, Nivea, and I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit so you can actually see what it actually looks like. So this is what it looks like, and basically you can just do like circular motions, and then you just have to like get rid of it with some water, and it smells really good. Actually, it smells really good. I'm just gonna like blend that into my skin and just pretend it's a lotion, even though it isn't. So that was it for this little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it was super short and I didn't have that many things, but I hope you still enjoyed it anyways. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!